Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. On today's A Little Extra Pixie Dust, we're going to make a mocktail. We're actually going to do a salted caramel hot chocolate frozen from Hollywood Studios. This is in the ABC Commissary and the Backlot Express, and it's a holiday special, which is why we're doing it now. So to start off, I've got my glass here. We've got our blender ready to go. Into our blender, we're going to add some chocolate milk. This can be done with regular milk or chocolate milk, but I figured frozen hot chocolate with a chocolate milk base. I mean, just kind of makes sense, right? So in that goes, we have just some powdered hot chocolate mix. You could use any brand you want. I'm going to pour that in. Then I have some salted caramel beverage syrup. We're going to add that in. Now we're going to actually blend this up until it's all combined together before we add the ice into it. So as always, this is going to be a little loud, so be back with you in just a few seconds. Looks like I got a little bit of hot cocoa mix sticking on the walls a little. I'm just going to grab a spatula, try to get that incorporated in just a little bit, because we do want this all mixed together before we throw the ice in there. Okay. I think that is most of it. Hopefully the rest will come off as it mixes. I'm actually just going to stick this right here because it's certainly not going to hurt anything. And then we're going to go just a little bit longer. Okay, I think that looks pretty well blended together. So let's pull this off. Put that right there. We're going to get some of our ice in. Not sure we'll need all the ice I have here, so I'm going to start off without quite of it and all of it, and we'll see how it looks. Put that there. And I get our lid back on. I can tell you that it smells amazing. Okay. Once again, it's going to be a little loud, so I'm just going to leave you to watch the blender work. I can tell already that I'm going to want a little bit more ice in there, so we're just going to add it. Maybe. There we go. Before we go any further. Because that is just about blended down quite a bit, and it's not super thick. So we're going to go all in. Okay. I'm not really hearing any more chunks grinding, so here's hoping this is smooth and ready to go. I grab this, we'll pop our little porry spout, and we'll see. That looks pretty delicious. I'm going to stop there. We're going to leave a little room on top for some whipped cream and some mini chocolate chips. Give this a little shake, and of course I went with chocolate whipped cream because, once again, I mean, frozen hot chocolate needs more chocolate. And then we'll throw a few of these on to make it a little extra pretty. Get it all dressed up for the holidays. And there you have it, the frozen salted caramel hot chocolate. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.